blue, green, yellow, 1, 2, 3. Yes, you can use fortune tellers like that, but here's another idea. These are the ones from the jungle animals fortune teller templates I have. So I like to use these with walking through the jungle. This is another fun way you can learn a song, right? So instead of saying the colours, they can go by the syllables, right? So walking through the jungle, what do you see? I see number 2. 1, 2. What could it be? I choose 3. I think it is a tiger. It's a parrot looking at me. So I know that's kind of going bigger language, and I think they get a lot more out of it, and it's a fun way to learn songs. It doesn't have to be walking through the jungle, it could be anything really, but trying to maybe get beyond just saying blue, 5, 3. I think that these are very helpful for that. Hope you like it.